Join me as I dive into the Mediterranean diet to see if it really is the secret to a longer life. The Mediterranean diet has long been hailed as one of the healthiest ways of eating, with many experts claiming it can help us live longer and healthier lives. But what is it about this diet that makes it so special? And is it really the secret to a longer life? Chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer are on the rise, and our lifespans are getting shorter. In fact, according to the World Health Organization, by 2030, chronic diseases will be the leading cause of death worldwide. It's clear that our modern diets are playing a significant role in this trend. The standard Western diet, high in processed foods and added sugars, is wreaking havoc on our health. Something needs to change, and that's where the Mediterranean diet comes in. We're constantly being told to eat more fruits and vegetables. But why? What is it about these foods that's so beneficial? The truth is, a diet rich in fruits and veggies can help to reduce inflammation, improve heart health, and even reduce the risk of certain cancers. And it's not just fruits and veggies. Whole grains, legumes, and healthy fats like those found in olive oil are all part of the Mediterranean diet puzzle. But what about the science? Does the research really back up the claims that the Mediterranean diet can help us live longer? The answer is a resounding yes. Study after study has shown that adhering to a Mediterranean-style diet can lead to significant reductions in mortality rates. In fact, one study published in the New England Journal of Medicine found that those who followed a Mediterranean diet had a 30% lower risk of death from all causes compared to those who didn't. So what makes the Mediterranean diet so effective? For starters, it's the high levels of antioxidants and polyphenols found in fruits, veggies, and olive oil. These compounds help to reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, which are major contributors to chronic disease. The diet is also high in fiber, which can help to lower cholesterol and improve blood sugar control. And let's not forget about the omega-3 fatty acids found in fatty fish like salmon and sardines. These have been shown to reduce inflammation and improve heart health. One of the most compelling pieces of evidence comes from the famous 7 countries study, which followed over 12,000 men from 7 different countries for over 15 years. The study found that those who adhered to a Mediterranean-style diet had a significantly lower risk of death from all causes compared to those who didn't. And it's not just about the food. The Mediterranean lifestyle, which emphasizes social connections and physical activity, also plays a significant role in the diet's success. So there you have it. The Mediterranean diet is more than just a collection of foods. It's a complete lifestyle overhaul that can help us live longer, healthier lives. By incorporating more fruits, veggies, whole grains, and healthy fats into our diets, and adopting a more active, socially engaged lifestyle, we can take control of our health and increase our chances of living a long, happy life. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear your thoughts on the Mediterranean diet in the comments below. And if you're looking for more healthy eating tips, be sure to check out my video on the top 5 healthiest foods you should be eating every day.